How to find low competition keywords on Fiverr. It's pretty simple and easy to do, but watch the full video, so you can take all of the steps. First, if you are using Google Chrome, you must come on it and write Fiverr on the search bar. Click on the first web and then this interface type will come. Second, click on the second tab and write Fiverr Quick View Extension on the search bar. Click on the first web and then click on Add Chrome. Now I am waiting for it to be done. Now the extension ad is done. The third step is you need to activate the extension. Now you have to refresh the Fiverr page, write any service and search. It will come through the optimization of the extension, such as, I write here, a WordPress developer. Due to the extension, top focus keywords appear here. Using this technique, you can check the most used keywords by people. For example, people mostly searched WordPress website, website development, website design, etc. Some people will make mistakes and use keywords that don't appear as top keywords. Don't use algorithm keywords because it is not a keyword. It is the function on which Fiverr is based. Next, you can search for any other skill. I write tutor math, and you can see how low the competition is here. You can follow the same procedure and find low competition keywords on Fiverr.